Good morning, guys. I finally received the welfare, so I can finally send all that money over to my friend. I'm not gonna have much left over, like maybe 800 krona or so. But hey, the rent is gonna be paid. My friend's not gonna get evicted because of me, so I'm pretty happy. Alright, guys, here I am. I just put my laundry into the dryer. And now I'm gonna head off on the wheel to go withdraw the money for the my cheeks look funny. To withdraw the money for the rent. Let's fucking go. Finally getting this shit fixed. Oh, it feels good, man. Alright, I did a little bit of shopping earlier. I just got this right now, withdrawing the cash, but I got this milk earlier, the Danish liver pate, as well as some sugar. But I've been drinking so much tea and eating rolled oats, I'm going through quite a bit of sugar. I'm gonna enjoy some soda now while I wait for my friend to come pick up the money. It's a good feeling, man. Having everything in order. Wheels slow charging with a fast charger. I'm just using it as a slow charger to spare the battery. And we got the money right here for rent. Let's go. But yeah, basically now I'm broke as shit. I got like 700 Danish for the rest of the month. So I'll definitely need to go pick up bottles and cans. That much is for sure. I don't know. Hopefully we can sell a few more of Mike's knickknacks. It's nothing that Natcha or Jason wants. Don't worry about it. It's not like we're taking away from his family. I paid my friends back, guys. I feel such an unbelievable sense of relief right now. I'm so happy. Let's go. I made some liver pate, Danish liver pate. Just putting the rest in here to stay warm. Gonna eat that on rye bread. I know it looks like fucking gruel, but it's pretty fucking delicious. It's high in fat, and yeah, it's pretty healthy. I'm really loving how the apartment's looking now. So much better. Much more human. Look at this shit. Oh my god, it's winter all of a sudden, huh?